Good morning everyone, I'm Marky Derico Sarmento at ang topic natin ay what is IoT? Ang Internet of Things o IoT ay isang teknolohiya kung saan ang mga bagay tulad ng appliances, sasakyan at gamit sa bahay ay nakakonekta sa internet para magpadala at tumanggap ng data. Halimbawa, sa smart home, pwede mong kontrolin ang ilaw at aircon gamit ang cellphone. Nagamit din ito sa healthcare at manufacturing para sa mas efficient na operation. Ang IoT ay nagdudugtong sa physical na bagay at digital world para maging mas connected at matalino ang mga gamit sa paligid. Next, advantage ng IoT. Mas pinadali buhay at convenience. IoT devices tulad ng smart homes at appliances nagpapadali ng buhay. Halimbawa, pwede mong kontrolin ang ilaw at aircon at security gamit ang phone mo kahit nasa labas ka. Mas magandang data collection at analysis. IoT devices nakokolekta ng real-time data na pwede gamitin for better decision and making predictive maintenance at mas efficient na operation, especially sa businesses. Cost saving. Pinapadali ng IoT ang automation ng mga tasks at processes, kaya nakakaiwas sa costly breakdown at unnecessary expenses. Halimbawa, sa mga factories, preventive maintenance is easier to manage. Disadvantage ng IoT. Security risk. Dahil lagi connected, mas mataas ang risk ng cyber attacks at data breaches, lalo na kung hindi secured ang devices. Privacy concerns. IoT devices ay nagkukolekt ng personal data kaya may posibilidad na malabag ang privacy ng user o magamit ang data inappropriately. Compatibility issues. Iba-ibang manufacturer at standards ang ginagamit ng IoT devices kaya minsan mahirap pag-ugnayin ang mga ito, leading to compatibility issues. Dependency on internet connection. Kailangan ng stable na internet para gumana ng maayos ang IoT devices. Kung mawalan ng internet, maaaring maging useless ang mga ito. Ang IoT ay nakakatulong sa pagpapadali ng buhay, pagpapabuti ng decision making at pagtitipid ng gastos, pero may kasamang risk tulad ng security threats, privacy concern at compatibility problems. Provide personal insight. Would they use IoT in their daily life? Why or why not? Personally, I use IoT for its convenience and efficiency, automating things like controlling lights, aircon, or even locking doors through my phone would save time, especially when I'm busy. It can also help with energy saving like smart thermostat adjusting to my habits. However, I am a bit hesitant because of security risks. I'm worried about hackers accessing my personal data. Also, if the internet connection fails, IoT devices might not work, which could be frustrating. Lastly, sometimes I feel IoT might overcomplicate my task. So while I see the benefits, I'd use IoT selectively only in areas where it really adds value. Is IoT good or bad for society? For me, IoT has both pros and cons for society. Good side, convenience, mas pinadali ang buhay like smart homes and health tracking. Also, it helps businesses improve efficiency. Energy and cost saving. IoT can reduce energy use, benefiting both the environment and saving money. Bad side, privacy and security risks. May risk ng hacking at loss of privacy. Over dependence. Kung sobrang umasa sa technology, pwedeng mawalan tayo ng control. IoT can be good, but kailangan balance, use it wisely and be aware of the risk.